Hello everyone and welcome back to Entrepreneur Cyberspace Guide, and you're listening to our last and final episode. Today, we will going to talk about something that every online business owner should know, which is ethical e-commerce, especially with the use of powerful tools like AI, social media, and big data. So daghan kaayo mga technology karon and we need to use it responsibly. So today, with me is Miss Emily Lim and Mr. Jeremy Lipang, online sellers.
Hi Dar, salamat for having me. Super relevant to the topic na to today.
Hi Dar, I'm happy to be here. I'm excited to share my experience with technology and ethical selling.
So Mr. Jeremy, what is ethical e-commerce nga ba?
Ethical e-commerce means doing business online in a way that honest, respectful, and transparent. Dili lang puro kita sa kwarta when you use tools like AI and data analytics. Dapat responsible ka, like not tricking people into buying things or collect data without permission.
Tinood Jud. Ako, I use AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT for writing and visuals. Pero I always think if original ba or misleading. Ginabantayan ako ang akong brand reputation, integrity matters, even more online.
So social media is a big deal right now. So how can business stay ethical while advertising in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok?
Good question. Sa ako, I make sure na my ads are honest, like if nako'y promo, tinood yun na promo. Walay fake urgency like only 2 items left. When in fact, naapa ko'y 50. Also, when I collect email address, I told them exactly what is for, klaro dapat ang concept.
With big data natay access to customer behavior, but don't use it to manipulate. Instead, use it to improve customer experience. For example, use data to suggest products they might actually like, not to exploit their emotion or insecurities.
Karon kay business karon nga kay use of AI chatbots. Ethical ba ni siya?
Depende. Chatbot can improve customer service, but dapat klaro nga AI siya, dili nimo pretend niya real person siya. And always give people the option to talk to a real human if needed.
Yes, and don't use chatbots to pressure customers. Kani nga trick ba? You left something in your cart, buy now or lose it. Okay lang kung tinood, pero kung sige lang kag-send og pressure message nga automated dra, people will lose trust.
True. So sa mga entrepreneurs nga naminaw karon, unsa man ang inyong mahatag nga practical ethical tips while using technology sa e-commerce?
Natay 3 key tips, no? Number 1, be honest in your content. Ayaw og misleading photos or views. Number 2, respect customer data. Inform your customer kung unsaon nimo paggamit sa ilang info. Be transparent with automation. Let them know if recommendation or response is AI generated.
Don't copy-paste AI content without checking basig naa na sa laing nga site. Avoid fake scarcity tactics like pretending you're running out of stock para lang sila mapalit. Always review feedback. Kung naay reklamo, address it. Ayaw lang og i-delete sa negative comments.
So grabe ka helpful inyong mga insights, no? So unsa man inyong mag-gain from being ethical? Lisod ba ni siya?
Yes, it can be slower at first, pero it builds trust and loyalty, and that lasts longer than any viral trick.
Ako, I'll say it myself, customer appreciate honesty. Ubalik jud sila kung kabalo sila nga they treated right. And platforms like Instagram usually reward ethical content, dili dali ma-flag or iban.
So that's end our third episode. Thank you Miss Emily Lim and Mr. Jeremy Lipang. So daghan gyud kaayo tabang ang inyong insights nga pwede makatunan sa atong mga digital entrepreneurs.
Sure to be here, padayon ta sa ethical nga negosyo.
Thanks Darieza. Let's build a digital world na maka-proud to as entrepreneurs.
And that concludes our series here in Entrepreneur Cyberspace Guide. If you missed some of our episodes, you can visit our playlist. Salamat for tuning in, and don't forget, ethics is innovation. Until next time mga kanegosyo, be wise, be safe, and be ethical. Bye!
Hi everyone!
I am Dariaza Tirazon.
I am Emeline Silim.
I'm Jeremy Silipang.
I am Keisha Yersua.
And we are